zombie apocalypse.
Alright boys, lightning round, international man of the match cards. I'm calling this right here. Ready? Wow. Alright boys, first pack of the day. Haven't opened any today. This is the first pack. What the fuck? There might be something. There might be a duplicate. No. Okay, it's over for you. Last time Rob opened 100k pack, don't forget, you got Ronaldo and Team of the Season Lewandowski in the pack together.
This is my final one, right?
This is your final one.
Let's go!
Oh!
Why don't I open packs?
Rob, you ain't already open packs. This guy's the pack king. I open a lot of packs and get a lot of players. He opens no packs and he still gets a lot of players.
I got Hazard.
What?
I got Hazard.
What the actual F? Oh my dear Lord, Rob, you have actually smashed it. And però sinceramente con uno non ci facciamo nulla, te lo dico subito, quindi dobbiamo trovare Messi o Rodriguez o chi portarci tuia, no Young, lo in e no Young. Adesso troveremo
Messi.
Oh, Higuain! Oh mio Dio, raga, ho visto argentino, ma sono un attimo sentito male.
Pensavo che erano Messi.
Oddio, raga, mi attaccava Messi. Come on. Oh, we get, who's that? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! That is that a re-release or what? How much? No! Oh! We get one of the best ones. You know what? I'm selling him. I am selling him. Oh my god. Last 100k pack for me. Oh my fucking god, no way. Back to back. That's fucking unreal. We got the ball now. We're striking Ronaldo. Oh my god. No fucking way.